Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a response sheet URL. First, open your form in edit mode. Navigate to the Responses tab, typically found at the top of your form interface. This tab provides an overview of all submitted data. You will see a green icon, which represents the spreadsheet where your responses are stored. Click on this icon to proceed. Once you click the green spreadsheet icon, a dialog box will appear. You'll have two options: either create a brand new spreadsheet or select an existing one from your Google Drive. For most cases, creating a new spreadsheet is the simplest path. After making your choice, click Create or Select to open the linked Google Sheet in a new browser tab. Now that your response sheet is open, look at your web browser's address bar. The full web address displayed there is your response sheet URL. Carefully select the entire URL, from HTTPS all the way to the end. You can then right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, typically Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, to copy it. With the URL copied, you can now share it with anyone who needs access to your form responses. Remember, the sharing permissions of the Google Sheet itself will dictate who can view or edit the data. You can adjust these permissions directly within the Google Sheet by clicking the Share button. This URL is a direct link to your live response data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.